Dear student, in the previous lecture we have to define the set. Today we have to discuss about some property of a set and some example of a set. The collection of PM of India. The collection of PM of India. Is that collection is a set? We know that the collection of PM is a well-defined object, because if you have to ask anybody, then every person says the common answer of that collection. Therefore, that collection is a well defined. It means the collection of a PM of India is well defined. Therefore, that collection is set. Second example, the collection of famous poet of India. Is that collection a set? No, that collection is not set, because that is not well defined. If you have to ask the famous poet of India, then the 2 or 3 person or more person give the different answer of the famous poet of the India. It means that is not a well defined collection. Therefore, that collection is not a set. Now, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, that is the set, and we know that 1, 2 and 3 is the element of A. 1 is element of A. Symbolically it can be written as 1 is element. That symbol is called is element of A, or that is also called belongs to A. 1 is belongs to A, or 1 is the element of A. That symbol is called belongs to A or element of A. 2 is the element of A, 3 is the element of A, 4 is not element of A. Symbolically it can be written as 4 does not belongs to A. That is called does not belongs to or not element of A. That symbol is called does not belongs to or not element of A, and that symbol is called belongs to or element of A. Now, there are two types by which we have to represent the set. The first type is the roster form. Which form is called roster form? The form in which all the elements written in a curly bracket. The forms in which all the elements written in a curly bracket and they are separated by comma. The forms in which all the elements written in a curly bracket and they are separated by comma, that form is called roster form. For example, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the roster form, because in this form all the element of the set is written in a curly bracket and they are separated by comma. Second example, B, small a, small b, small c, small d, and so on. That is also a roster form because all the elements of the set are given and they are separated by comma. It means the form in which all the elements are given and they are separated by comma, that form is called roster form. The second form is set builder form. Set builder form, the form in which the set is represented by their special property. The form in which the set is represented by their special property, that form is called set builder form. For example, A. In the above form, we have to write the set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to see that set is the set of a natural number. Here that can be written as x such that x belongs to n and x is less than or equal to 6. That is the property of the set, and that set is the set of natural number, and that natural number is either 6 or less than 6. That is the property of the set, and that form is called set builder form. That form is called set builder form. B, x such that x is a small letter of English alphabets. That is the property of the set. It means there are two forms in which we have to represent the set. First form is the roster form, second form is the set builder form. In the roster form, the set is represented by all the elements written in a curly bracket and they are separated by comma, and in the set builder form the set is represented by their special property. A is the set in which all the element is the natural number. This can be written as x such that x belongs to n. N is the set of natural number, and that natural number is either less than 6 or equal to 6. And B is the set of a small letter of English alphabet. Therefore, this can be written as x such that x is the small letter of English alphabet.